So for this little square of tilled dirt, I originally had the idea of this being full of my fall veggies. I literally went in direct sowed. They're missing now, but I had little markers. I had kale, Swiss chard, komatsuna. I have a seed packet of that stuff, but I think it's like a mustard regardless. I think it was just way too hot over the summer, end of like July, beginning of August, because none of those germinated. The only two that have survived are those two collard greens, so I'm savoring them while I can. I think I'm taking a risk here, putting the babies out today, because again, we have a 90-degree day coming up soon. But I don't know how much longer I can wait. These seedlings are already very leggy, because I was a bad plant mom and I neglected them a little bit. I need to get a better seed setup, but I'm hoping the collards will shade them out so they don't get too hot. I'm gonna get some mulch that'll help keep it colder, and hoping the shade from the tree will help. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get it over with, put them in the ground. I have to get dirty. The only surviving lettuce. I'm gonna put it right here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ah! Oh, shit. What the fuck is this? Alright. Let it be known I did not know this was here. This wasn't just for the content. Ooh, an earthworm. Come here, wormy. Wormy. It loosened up the ground for me. Shall we try that again? Another wormy. Good soil. There, baby. I have this lettuce right here, but I don't know if it's gonna survive or not. Just go ahead and do it anyway. Well, we'll see then. All right, well, this is baby bok choy. I'm gonna put it behind this first collard green right here. I'm gonna do it every 4 inches or so. Could easily look it up, I just don't want to. These are already root bound too. My plan is get them in the dirt, and at least if they survive, hit them with some fertilizer. I think that would wake them up. Fine, you're just going in the dirt. Here. Oh, frickin' rock right here. There's some right here too. I'll tell you what, if these bok choy turn out and actually survive this crappy soil, I'm gonna be so excited. I haven't had like bok choy in a long time. Can never find it in the store, and the stores that they keep it in is just, it's too expensive. These bok choy are kind of wimpy, so I'm just gonna skip them. All right, next we have beets. I think I'm gonna put them over here. Let me put one right here. Kind of do an experiment. These will be more shaded than this one. I don't even know if you're supposed to plant beets and collards together, but we'll find out. Even the roots are red. They're so cute. Oh my God. I was gonna say, I really don't know what I'm doing at the end of the day. I'm learning. Man, these things are flimsy. I like them, but they're very aesthetic, but they're hard to, if you forget the tool it comes with to get it out, it's kind of a pain. Just get that one right there. that one right there. Right there. You know what? Let's go ahead and do all 12. These all look pretty good, actually. I've got dirt in my mouth already somehow. Two, three. This one's kind of wimpy. We'll even see if it survives. Almost done. We got one more tray. Some of these turnips are looking a little sad, so I might have to skip them. We'll do four more turnips. These poor seedlings. I'll tell you what, if these survive, it'll be a fucking miracle. One, my neglect, and two, this rocky ass dirt. But sometimes they like to live off of spite. All right, hold on, let my blood sugar adjust. Hey, welcome back. We are on day 7 after planting the babies. We have some obvious ones that are doing really good and obvious ones that are doing not so good. Take a look. The bok choy is actually looking like it's starting to perk back up big time. See those leaves reaching up. Some of the beets are doing okay, but some of them look like they're still struggling. Some of the smaller ones. That one in particular that's behind that collard green that's getting shaded out is doing really good. I wonder why. Lettuce is looking okay, and the turnips over here are looking... The leaves seem to be getting bigger, but they're still very limp and leggy, so this was going to be the main fall planting of our garden. We do have something else we need to plant for fall, technically, and it's a surprise. It's probably very obvious if you know anything about gardening, but we have one more thing to plant, but we still have to build the bed for it, so stay tuned for next video.